Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use a cleansing cream or cream cleanser. So the one I'm going to be using today for the demo is from Nip and Fab, and it's their cleansing cream, Hyaluronic Fix Extreme 4 cleansing cream. For any cleansing cream you get, the brand usually puts the instruction on how to use it. So for this particular one, you're supposed to basically put it on your hands, then massage it onto your dry face, like without, touching water or anything, then massage it. It's supposed to, melt off impurities, makeup or what have you. And with cleansing creams, you can use it to double cleanse or use it on its own. And cleansing creams are really amazing for people with dry skin, or you don't want anything that is tripping. Cleansing creams are amazing for that. Or if your face is a bit irritated and want something that is mild and gentle, cleansing creams are amazing for that. I will begin by dispensing a bit onto my hands like so. So I'll just put enough, and like they said, you have to put it on a dry face. So my face, I haven't got anything on. I just woke up and this is how I woke up. So I'm just going to massage it on my face like this. So this is what you want to do, circular motion like this, and making sure to gently massage yourself. Don't be harsh, don't rush it. Just massage it like this to make sure you melt off impurities. And with cleansing creams, you can use it twice a day. So you can use it in the morning and you can use it at night. Or like I said, you can use it to double cleanse, especially when you've got like heavy makeup on. So you can use it to double cleanse. After applying it on the face, you can go in with a muslin cloth, or you can just rinse it off like that if you haven't got any muslin cloth or little face towel. Do not forget your neck. And at this point, what I'm going to do next is to add a little bit of water just to emulsify it, just to make it a bit milky and creamier. With water, when you add more water, it helps to even further break down the impurities on the face. So this is what you want to do. So at this point, I'm going to use my muslin cloth to wipe off the cream cleanser, and then I will proceed to rinsing my face. So I'm just wiping off the cleanser from my face, and this wiping off the cleanser with a damp cloth or a muslin cloth has an added bonus because it helps to exfoliate the skin. The next thing I'm going to do is just to rinse off my face to make sure I thoroughly clean the face. So this is what my face looks like. I'm done rinsing my face and my face feels quite hydrated. It doesn't feel dry, it doesn't feel stripped. That's the good thing about using cream cleansers. It leaves your face like moisturized, not tight, not feeling tight, not feeling irritated. So at this point, I'm just going to blot my face and then get right back. So now I'm done blotting my face. I'm just adding a bit of toner to my face, and yes, the toner I'm adding is from April Skin. Is their Rice Essence toner, and this is one of my favorite toners. I just like to use it. It's very mild and gentle. So that's how you want to use your cream cleansers. But when you want to use it to double cleanse, what you do first, you saw what I did, use it on your dry skin, like without anything, massage it onto the face very well. Then you can use a little water to emulsify it, to make it wet and make it easier to massage on the face. Then after that, you get rid of it, follow up with another cleanser, just a regular cleanser of my choice, just to make sure my face is even cleaner, especially on the days that I have like maybe a lot of makeup. I hope you guys found this video really helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. If there are any other kind of videos you'd like to see on my channel, don't hesitate to let me know. If you've got questions, I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And with all that being said, I'll catch you on my next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.